Hey everyone, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and today I am here at Port Orleans French Quarter to try some lunch. I've never had a beignet before, so that's my main reason for being here, and they come highly recommended by Tiana, so I'm going to go inside and check them out. Come on along with me. And if you haven't done so yet, please check out passporttotheparks.com and definitely subscribe here on YouTube and hit that like button, it always helps. Alright guys, here we are at the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory. So we're going to go and check out these beignets. Here's the dining area. It's a quick service restaurant, but very highly decorated for Mardi Gras. It's a lot of fun. Love the atmosphere in here. I'll check out the menus as soon as we come in. They got a variety of different things. Different pizzas, burgers. Got the full menu over here. Smokehouse barbecue burger, chicken sandwich, chicken on a biscuit, Creole cheesesteak po' boy, some good kids meals, create your own signature rice bowl. Let's see here, the bakery shop. Here we are. Here's the French Quarter beignets, hand dipped ice cream, the Mardi Gras king cake. That sounds interesting, and a house-made pecan praline. Different create your own pizzas. The po' boy shop has the po' boys, the Sassagoula power salad, the French Quarter house salad, jambalaya, gumbo, and the choux de jour. I think I might try a little cup of that gumbo as well. It's like a real simple process to order. Just basically walk up to the area that you are interested in and grab your food. So right now I'm going to head to the po' boy shop and get me some gumbo, a cup of gumbo. Alright, thank you.
Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
Enjoy. Hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good, you?
I have never tried a beignet before.
Do you want 3 or 6?
The 3.
To go for here.
For here. I'm going to try it here. There's some delicious looking stuff in here. That chocolate cake looks amazing too. Wow. So what exactly is a beignet? What's in it?
There's nothing on it. It's like a fried donut.
Just a fried donut? Is there anything in the center of it? Okay. So this is the king cake that's on the menu out there. That looks delicious. That chocolate cake looks good. The brownies. Wish I could eat one of everything, but I don't think I'll even make it through one of the beignets. It's like they make them fresh right out of the fryer there for you too, so they're nice and hot. That'll be good. Sprinkle a little powdered sugar on the back there. Oh, come on.
Enjoy.
Those look amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh man. All kinds of powdered sugar all over me now. Alright guys, so here is lunch. Here is my cup of gumbo. Looks delicious. Has some rice in there. Looks really spicy. And here are my beignets. These things are crazy looking good. Lots of powdered sugar. And you guys know I can't eat this much stuff, so I'll probably barely get through one of these. But I'm definitely going to give them a shot because they just look so amazing. Okay guys, well here we are. And I am going to try this delicious gumbo. Like I said, it's got some rice in there, got some sausage, definitely a lot of spice going on in here, so mix it up a little bit, get a good bite. There we go. A lot of different flavor in there. Got the peppers and onions. A little bit of that spice is starting to come through. It's not real hot, at least not yet. little heat on the tail end. but it's good. If you watch my other videos, I'm not a big spice person. I don't like heat. I'm sorry, I am a spice person, but I don't like heat. And this is not spicy hot. It's just spicy good. That's why I like jambalayas and gumbos and things like that. This is a good little cup of gumbo. Some okra. Looks really good. Very tasty okra. Still a little crunch to it. Let's see, we got some chicken. Got some sausage in there. Some rice, peppers, onions. Very tasty. Get a good piece of chicken here. Really good. Let's see, get kind of close here. I don't know how well focused this will, but I like it. Starting to settle in the stomach a little bit. And I don't have a whole lot of stomach to settle in. A couple more bites. I would recommend this. It's a good little dish. There's a lot in here too for the cup. There's a whole meal that you can buy. This cup was like $4.59 or something like that. And it's actually a nice sized bowl. This makes for an easy lunch. I'm actually outside. There's some tables around me here, so you might hear some chairs squeaking and stuff across the ground. It's a beautiful day outside, so I wanted to come up here and enjoy lunch. So now it's time. We're gonna try these beignets. These look really, really good. Got some people walking behind here. Let's try this again. These look really good. Here we go. Just wondering if I was gonna need the knife for it, but it seems to cut pretty easy. Hopefully you can see that here. It's the first bite, a lot of powdered sugar. Oh, they're so good. Really wasn't quite sure exactly what a beignet is. I don't know if it was stuffed with something or if it was just a pastry, but it is. It's just like it's a really hot fried donut. It's got a nice crunchiness on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. And I'm going to use the knife to cut it up a little bit here because the powdered sugar is flying all over the place. Once that breeze hits, all this powdered sugar is like snow. Here goes another good piece. Oh, so good. Of course I wore a black shirt today, so I'm going to be covered in powdered sugar. There's no way I'm going to get through all three of these. I just can't do it. But I will definitely enjoy a few bites. You can see on the inside there, hopefully, nice and soft. The outside, again, just has that nice little crispiness to it coming out of the fryer. And this thing is just covered in powdered sugar. Nice sweetness. So good, I love it. Thank you, Tiana, for recommending these. Couldn't come to Tiana's place yet, so I had to come to the next best place here at Port Orleans to get these awesome beignets. So I appreciate you guys sharing these with me, sharing my first experience. I would definitely get these again. If you've never tried them, come here and try them because they are awesome. Very sweet. The gumbo is definitely good. Love to try some other stuff in here, but just can't do it today. I'll have to come back and try a po' boy at some point. I think that would be really good. make sure you guys check out passporttotheparks.com. I will definitely post a full review of my meal here today. And also, if you would consider subscribing here on YouTube and clicking that like button, it always helps. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see when I'll be in the parks doing all kinds of live streams and other videos, getting a lot of cool pictures. And I'll also post some links down in the description. I did a live walkthrough here at Port Orleans and also was able to check out the newly renovated rooms here. And I want to thank John, who's the general manager here at Port Orleans, for helping me with that. So I do appreciate you guys being here, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.
You know, the thing about good food, it brings folks together from all walks of life. It warms them right up, and it puts little smiles on their faces. And when I open up my own restaurant, I tell you, people are gonna line up for miles around just to get a taste of my food.
Our food.
That's right, baby. Our food.